What's up guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install Origin on your Windows 11 computer. So go ahead and open your favorite web browser and then do a quick Google search of Origin download. And then click on the first option, which is Origin client for PC or Mac from www.origin.com. So that's the result you want to click on. Now, I will also leave a direct link to this website in the description below. Now, in case you don't see this page and you probably see the home page, then you can click on the download option right here. So now on the download page, click on download for Windows and then choose where you want to download the installer and click on save. Once the download is complete, you can click on the file or you can open the folder in which you downloaded and then double click on the file from there. Either way, it's going to start installing Origin on your computer. I'll just close the browser and the file explorer window. And once the installation wizard appears, click on install Origin. You can leave everything checked here unless you have special needs, and then click on I have agreed and accepted the Origin end user license agreement. Click on that checkbox to select and then click continue. Now sit back and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is complete, you can now go ahead and sign in with your Origin account. And that's it. That's how to install Origin on your Windows 11 PC. You can now go ahead and install your favorite games and start playing. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.